jingly jungle with my friends and yours. Humpty, Topsy, Rocky, rah-rah! Debbie, ooh-ooh, rah-rah! Rah-rah! It's the jingly jangly jungle noise. Rah-rah! It's the jingly jangly jungle noise. Rah-rah!
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Jingly Jangly Jungle. I wonder what Rara's up to today. Hello, Rara. Is that a book you're reading?
Yes, I love books.
But that was a sad noise. What's wrong?
I feel sad because I finished this book. I wish I had another one to read.
Where did you get that book from, Rara?
From Topsy's library. Rah! That's it! Maybe I can borrow another book from Topsy. Come on, let's jungly jump to it! Hello, Topsy.
Hello, Rara.
I finished this book. Can I borrow another one, please?
Sorry, I'm in a bit of a hurry. Help yourself.
Where are you going?
I'm going to make everyone a brand new book about flowers for story time.
You're going to make a new book? How?
I've got some paper and crayons in here to draw jungle flowers. Then I'll tie the drawings together to make the pages of a book.
That sounds fun. Please, can I make a book too?
Yes. Come on.
Books are fun. Let's make two. One for me and one for you. Look, some yellow flowers.
They're perfect for my book.
What can I draw for my book? Hello, Buzzy Little Bee. Can I draw you for my book? I'll need a crayon. A yellow crayon for my yellow bee. Wait for me, Buzzy Bee.
What colour crayon do I need? A yellow one. Oh no! Rara took it. I can't draw the yellow flower without a yellow crayon. Rara, come back!
Now I can draw you.
Rara, there you are.
Look, Topsy, the first drawing for my book. What did you draw?
I haven't drawn anything. You took the yellow crayon so I couldn't draw my yellow flower.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, we've got plenty of time left to finish both our books. Come on, let's find some more things to draw.
Books are fun.
Let's make two. One for me and one for you.
Books are fun.
Let's make two. One for me and one for you.
Hey, look! A red flower!
Perfect! I can draw it for my book. What are you going to draw, Rara?
I don't know yet. That sounds like Humpty's train. I could draw the train for my book. Which colour are you going to use? I don't want to take your crayon again.
Red.
Then I'll take the blue crayon.
Oh no! Rara's taken all the paper.
Hello, Humpty. Please can I draw your train for my book?
Of course you can, Rara.
There, I finished. Look.
Brilliant! All aboard!
Huffa 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 huffa.
Rara, you ran off with all the paper, so I couldn't start my book.
Oh no! Sorry, Topsy.
I still haven't started my book yet. What if I don't finish it before story time?
It's okay. I'll help you find more flowers to draw. Come on! Books are fun. Let's make 2. One for me and one for you.
Bye. See you at story time.
Look! That's the most beautiful pink flower I've ever seen.
Quick, draw it for your book. You'll need a pink crayon and some paper too.
Thank you.
What are you two doing?
We're making books, Oo. Can I draw you for mine?
Yes, but you'll have to catch me first.
Stay still!
Can't catch me! Can't catch me, Rara! Hooray!
My drawing! It's ruined!
I'm so sorry, Topsy. Here, have some more paper and try again. Oh no! The paper is all gone!
No more paper? I can't make my book now. I'll have to go and tell everyone there's no new book for story time.
Rara, what's wrong?
Topsy wanted to make a new book for story time, but I ruined it.
How?
First, I ran off with her crayon. Then I ran off with all the paper. Then I ripped her drawing. Now there's no paper left.
What's that you're holding, Rara?
This is my book.
Is it finished?
Yes. It's a new book, isn't it? I just need to tie the pages together and I can give her this.
I can't wait for story time.
Topsy promised us a new book.
Topsy, are you there? It's story time. Are you going to read to us?
I can't. I haven't got a new book like I promised.
You have got a new book. Look!
But that's your book.
I ruined your new book, so I want you to have mine instead.
Oh, thank you, Rara. Is everyone ready for story time?
Yes! Hooray!
Here's a buzzy bee. Buzz, 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 buzz. And here's Huffy's train. Toot, toot. And here's a funny monkey called Oo.
It's me! Look, it's Oo!
I've got a name for the book. Rara's Book of Noises.
Hooray!
I love that name, and I love this book. Thank you, Rara.
Yes, well done, Rara.
Rara, you are